Hey guys, let's talk about 6 different ways that you can make money online in 2025 because, who couldn't use extra money in this economy? Let's jump into it. So number 1 on the list is AI-powered consulting. When I first learned about this concept, I was like, what are you talking about? But pretty much the way that this works is with the rise of AI and access to high-value skills such as graphic design, writing, and coding, there are many freelancers that were able to access different skills, would deliver the work faster, and take on more clients. So this could be a really great way for you to start generating extra money by significantly increasing your efficiency. And I can tell you that this is definitely a very growing field because every single day I get so many messages from different people offering me different services such as video editing, thumbnail design, and all those things. And I can really tell that a lot of that content was generated by AI. I'm also noticing that a lot of people nowadays offer services such as video translations where you can create your own content but also translate it to other languages, which is something that can increase your reach globally. If you don't exactly know how to find clients, you can always create profiles on platforms such as Fiverr and Upwork and start advertising your services there. Now, in terms of the tools, it all depends on what it is that you're trying to do, but if you are interested in providing graphic design services, for example, platforms like Midjourney or Leonardo AI could be a really great place to start. If you want to create written content, you can use tools like writing.seo.ai, which is a tool that I have reviewed in the past if you want to see that video in one of these corners, as well as use the advanced versions of ChatGPT. All right, let's talk about the next one, which is print on demand. So print on demand is something that I really wish I got into a little bit earlier, and honestly is something that I also wish that I built out before, let's say, my Amazon FBA business. So the reason why I think print on demand is really great is because unlike a lot of the other e-commerce or any kind of retail types of businesses that require a lot of upfront investments such as purchasing inventory, shipping, manufacturing, duties, tariffs, and things like that, you can pretty much start on print on demand for free. The only costs that could occur are things like maybe subscriptions to platforms such as Printify. So I recently created an entire video showing you how I was able to create my Etsy store and set up my very first listing using Printify, which if you haven't heard of Printify, they're probably one of the most well-known print-on-demand platforms that offers so many awesome features that can help you to start your print-on-demand business. They do have a lot of really great AI features that can help you with all the fundamental things like designing your product, creating your listing, generating all the SEO keywords, as well as help you to figure out the pricing and all the costs that go into the production and fulfillment of your orders. So as I said, I use Printify to help me set up my very first print-on-demand Etsy store, and I already started making money with this stream of income. Printify is actually kindly sponsoring this video today, so if you are interested in starting your print-on-demand business this year, I do have good news for you. Make sure to use my link down below to start today. Now, next on my list is something that I'm very familiar with, which is creating content. So it's not a secret to anyone at this point that content creators can make really good money by doing something they love and creating content that they're passionate about. Now, there's so many options when it comes to content creation. You can do it on YouTube, you can do it on Instagram. I am filming this just a few days before we're going to find out, the fate of TikTok, but it is still an option as of the time of the filming of this video. Now, unlike 10 years ago when you had to makeup tutorials and fashion haul types of videos to make any money, these days you can create content about almost anything from true crime videos to fashion videos to just simple TikTok dances to faceless videos to AI generated videos. So even if you don't love filming vlogs or showing your face or anything like that, there are a lot of different options for you to still make money by creating content that you're comfortable with. Oh, and by the way, don't forget to hit that like button to support this small channel, and also follow me on Instagram because I would love to be friends. And then next on the list is selling online courses. So this is also a topic that I've covered quite a few times on this channel. There are different ways that you can monetize your knowledge. You can obviously share it for free on platforms such as YouTube. However, you can also easily monetize a lot of your education focused content. Now, if you're still a beginner and just want to get a taste of what it's like, you can always film your courses and post them on platforms such as Udemy and Skillshare, where you can rely on a lot of the existing traffic to take your courses and generate some income. However, if you're a little bit more experienced, especially if you have an audience or more comfortable with marketing your own brand, you can also create your own course on platforms such as Teachable or Thinkful or Kajabi, where you can have a little bit more control over your pricing and the content of your courses. We all know some of the course creators that have made hundreds of thousands, if not millions of dollars through their course. So if you feel like you have some valuable knowledge to share with the world, you should consider creating an online course. All right, number 5 on the list is going to be a little bit different, and these would be surveys and micro tasks. So I know that not all of us want to spend months, if not years, to build out some of the streams of income that I just mentioned, because I know it took me 2 years to start making any money on YouTube. It took me weeks to make my first sale with print on demand. beforehand. And then it took me years to build out the knowledge and the reputation to start doing my consulting work. However, for those of us that don't want to spend all of that time building out those streams of income and just want to make some quick cash right away, you can always turn to surveys and microtasking apps. So I've previously covered a lot of the similar platforms such as Free Cash. They will pay you for things like doing small surveys, testing apps, and then testing different offers. I've covered Prime Opinion, which is a pretty large survey platform that is a really great way to make some extra money while you have some free time, like I don't know, before bed, while you're waiting for an appointment, or when you're bored. Or you can also test platforms such as Pawns App that will literally pay you to share your internet in the background. So if you're curious about those types of apps, I will include my entire playlist called Apps and Websites, where you can find different ways that you can make some quick extra cash on the side. These platforms are not going to make you rich. They're just a fun way to make some extra quick cash on the side. So if that's something you're interested in, make sure to check out my link down below. All right, and then last but not least on our list is AI-powered affiliate marketing. So this is another pretty fancy concept that pretty much merges two really attractive topics that have been a huge buzz online for the past few years, such as affiliate marketing and then AI tools. Pretty much we all know that you can make some really decent money with affiliate marketing. However, not all of us have the patience and the skills to create content that can generate affiliate income. However, now with the rise of AI tools, there's so many different ways that you can utilize the power of AI to start making money with affiliate marketing. Now, I actually created an entire video showing you how you can use AI to generate income on platforms such as Pinterest through affiliate marketing. You can also use AI to start a print-on-demand business, like I mentioned, with Printify AI features. And you can also use AI to generate affiliate marketing blogs, which is also another topic that I have covered in the past, where I showed you how I was able to generate affiliate income on Medium. So if you're interested in creating this very powerful passive stream of income, but don't really have the time or patience to create content, you should definitely explore different ways how AI can help you in this journey. By the way, if you like this video, I actually think you're going to like this video as well, where you can generate passive income streams this year. And as always, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!